Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to change your chat settings inside of Among Us so that you can play games with your friends who might have their chat settings set to free chat, because you can't use both at the same time. So the first thing you gotta do is go into your account settings and link your Steam account so that it can connect to the Among Us servers and you have an official Among Us account. And then once that's done, you can go to online play and go to create a game, and you can change your game chat settings here under chat type from quick chat to free chat, and this is actually just your overarching settings for your entire game client. And then you should be good to go, and you can join whatever game mode you want with free chat enabled. Now the difference between free chat and quick chat is like quick responses and quick replies. You can't like type out full sentences and like have a regular conversation. It's kind of like censored chat. And then free chat is just a regular chat. Works the way that every chat works in the history of ever. So once you've got that set, you can hit cancel, and then you can either join via a code from the private thing. You can click on an invite link thrown into Discord or whatever, and you should be able to join any game you want. The way that it used to be is you had to go into your gear here, and you had to go into data and change your chat settings in here, but they moved it to the online play setup. And it's the easiest way to change it is just here under host settings. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.